guys, it's Stacy from the Box Family Homestead. Our mobile coop here for the meat birds is about 90% done. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the meat birds into it for the evening, get them some fresh air so I can clean out their little stinky coop, and hopefully they'll like it. Well, at least the cats like it right now. I still have some zip ties I have to cut. Numa, what do you think? You like it? So here we have, it's just a door we can open and close, and that's how I'll get them their food and water and cats, I suppose. But like I said, we just have to cut off the little zip ties there. I think I may have to cut a little bit of the fencing right here, and we have to paint it. And that's the only thing we have left. All right, let's go get the birds. I forgot, before we put them out, we have to give them some water. Let's see if this fits. Awesome. I'll go grab their food too. I don't know if I mentioned in any of these other videos, meat birds are disgusting. I can't imagine being in a warehouse filled with hundreds of them like they do in the big companies. I can't imagine the stench and the sound that would create.
Get in all the chicks, picking them up, putting them in the tote, making sure they don't get out of the tote. They've already bit me twice. Lovely tote. Get in all the chicks. La-di-la-di-la. Look at those hands. Yummy. Gross. Alright, you got it? Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Sunshine! Yes.
All right, well, since we figured it's gonna be down in the upper 20s and low 30s tonight, we have moved the meat birds over by the fence to kind of keep the wind at bay. And we put a tarp over them. And then, if I can crawl back here, I added, I know we're not supposed to do this, a little heat lamp. Only because it's supposed to be in the high 20s, low 30s tonight. I want to keep them a little warm because the ground is still cold here in Montana. So we'll see how this goes tonight. They seem to be happy. They really like the grass. Can I get it focused again? There we go. So they look pretty happy. All right, so we'll let you guys know tomorrow how they do overnight tonight. Hope you guys have a good day.